Hello, how are you today? On this session, I'm going to give a talk about EDC. EDC is an abbreviation that stands for Everyday Carry. And this talk is an introduction to EDC. Now, EDC means objects or items that you always carry on daily basis, which means you always bring them with you anywhere you go and anytime. Now, the objects, because they are EDC, they have to be portable and durable. Portable means that you can easily carry them. You can carry them in your pocket. You don't need to use a special bag. And durable means that the objects here, the items, they have to be strong. They are you can use them anywhere, anytime, regardless of the weather and the condition. And surely these objects should be affordable. So they are within your reach of financial condition. You can buy them anywhere and not difficult to get. Now the first thing in your EDC gear should be writing item. That means pen. Not pencil, but pen. Pen, you can categorize EDC pen into two things, tactical pen or regular pen. Tactical pen is usually made of metal, mostly aluminum. Regular pen is made of plastic. Now you can choose to carry one of them, but usually for EDC pen, you carry tactical pen because it is made of metal, so it is strong, it is durable, it has sturdy body, and it has more than just one function. Like in this example, you have the pen that you can use to write, and the pen cap has a soft tip that you can use as a stylus for your tablet. The next item in EDC is mini flashlight. Mini flashlight is really useful when you are in situation where the lighting condition is very poor. So when it is dark or when there is a blackout, you can use flashlight to help you finding your way when it is dark. With mini flashlight, you can carry it anywhere. You can put it in your keychain, put it in your pants or in your shirt. Of course, you have to pay attention to the light because an EDC flashlight should have a powerful light, and preferably you use EDC flashlight that still runs on battery because when the power is out, it is not difficult for you to find fresh battery to charge your flashlight. So you carry a pen. You will need something to write on. Therefore, you will have to carry field notes. A field notes is a notebook, a pocket notebook. But this is not an ordinary notebook. Field notes are notebooks which are weatherproof and waterproof. Because it is weatherproof and waterproof, you can write this notebook on any kind of condition. It doesn't matter whether the book is wet or dry, you still can write on it. And of course, because it is a pocketbook, should be easy for you to carry it anywhere. You will need, in some situations, you need something to cut. For that, you will need a folding knife. But an EDC knife should be something small, pocketable, that you can put it in your pants or in your wallet. And because it is EDC, then it should be easy to use. So there is no need for specific skill to use this folding knife. So folding knife is really useful when you want to cut something or when you want to fix something. You can use the tip of the knife as a screwdriver. You can use the knife for cutting woods or opening a wood box. Any situation that requires a knife or something that you can use to fix a problem. Next item on EDC is a pocket tool. Now pocket tool is more than just a knife. With knife, you can only do specific activities. With pocket tools, you can do multiple things. That's why it is called multi-tool. However, this multi-tool must be pocketable, and you can use them for quick repair. On this example, you have these folding pliers. These folding pliers in the picture consist of plier. There is also small scissor that you can use to cut paper or cut yarn. There is also a nice file and also screwdriver and tweezer. So pocket tools should be handy enough for you in doing quick repair or quick fixing job. These days, we see people attach carabiner in their bag. Well, EDC carabiner is great because you can use the carabiner to attach anything to your bag. So in case you don't have rope or tie, you can use carabiner to attach any object to your bag. Or you can even use carabiner to clip it on your belt. For EDC, the carabiner should be sturdy and big because you don't know how many objects that you are going to put in your carabiner. These days, people seldom wear watch, but for practical purpose, you need a watch, wristwatch. It can be analog or digital. For EDC, the important thing that a watch should do is tell time. But more than just telling time, you can use EDC wristwatch as a chronograph or even alarm. Now, analog watch mostly only give time or chronograph, but with digital watch you can use alarm function. Now watch for EDC should be weather and waterproof. Therefore, when you make a selection for wristwatch, you have to find the watch that can meet the criteria of weather and waterproof. Who can live without smartphone these days? For EDC, you can use any kind of smartphone. However, the three criteria for EDC smartphones are easy to use, good camera, and of course, pocketable. You can use Android, you can use iOS. One thing for sure, the phone should have a good camera because the number two thing that people mostly do with their smartphone is taking picture. Next item for EDC is whistle. Now this one is unique. Not many people realize that whistle can achieve many things. In emergency situation, you can depend on whistle. You can ask for help using whistle. Now the best whistle for this job is this stick whistle. This whistle is simple to use. It doesn't have any particular mechanism. It fits in your pocket, and because it is made of metal, then it is weather and waterproof. So metal whistle is a better choice than plastic whistle. Last thing is lighter. Whether you're smoking or not, you should carry lighter in your EDC pocket. Lighter is very useful in emergency situation. For example, if you don't bring a flashlight, you can use lighter to find your way in the darkness. You can also use lighter for quick fix, such as you want to burn paper or you want to burn the end of a rope or you want to create a bonfire. Lighter is the right tool to do that kind of job. You can use the simple lighter like big lighter, or you can use sophisticated lighter such as Zippo. One thing for sure, The lighter of your choice should be handy and durable. So that's EDC gears. EDC gears are necessary items that people carry with them every time they go. These gears should be portable and handy. They should be sturdy, which means you can use the gears for a very long time, and they should be easy to get. Now, for more information on EDC, you can visit these following websites: www.everydaycarry.com or Vinjabon, Huckberry, Gearmoose, and the last, Gear Patrol. Thank you, and see you again in the next presentation.